Hello everyone, this is Loretta Living. I am participating in the Mother's Day Pink and Glaze Table Collab. Well, hello, this is Loretta Living. The main host is Really Good Living. The co-host, iSTYEMYSTY, Chantel Greig, MystyleMycolours, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Creating with Simone. We are asked to create a tablescape hosted by the beautiful Classy Decor Club, Friday, April the 30th at 8 a.m. Pacific Time. And we are to create a tablescape, a brunch table, a tea party, at least 3 pink colors. And you are also to include the title, Classy Decor, in your title. So I want to get started in showing you my tablescape. My first 2 colors are I have at my beautiful centerpiece. I love tulips, and also this is my mother's favorite color, which is pink and fuchsia. You will see beautiful roses, glass roses that I have at the tables in the center of each plate. And also you will see I have apples for 2 others. I didn't have enough glass roses, so I decided to use my glass apples. The glass roses are from Home Good, and the glass apples are from the Dollar Tree. So I want to show you the 3rd pink color, which will be, you will see I sprinkled some beautiful gold diamonds that I purchased, and they are fuchsia. Every mother deserves a diamond. So I put them, that's my 3rd color, in the center of my tablescape. Okay, first I want to say this is a tea party. So you will see my tea kettle that I have over there that you can heat up and then sit on a beautiful stand to cool off and serve the ladies tea. And now you will notice that I have the containers and the glass, beautiful clear glasses to have tea in. So I want to show you my table setting. I want to thank all of the beautiful ladies for inviting me to do this beautiful collaboration. And